What is going on, people? Isaiah here again, back at you with another annoying vegan video. I just saw a friend of mine post a video about the Joe Rogan podcast, and some farmer was on there, and the topic that came up is if you want to kill the most animals, go vegan. Okay, and this farmer was talking about how he has to kill and clear all the land in order to farm the tofu and all this stuff, and he's just naming off all the animals that he has to kill in order to farm the land. Okay, here's the thing. This video is actually very stupid, and the reason it's stupid is because no vegan who knows anything about the ideology is actually going to sit here and say that veganism is that you can cause no suffering at all, that going vegan will eliminate all suffering. Nobody claims that in their right mind. Okay, this is not what would be coined as a zero-sum game. It's a very basic concept to understand. Vegans understand full well that there is a cost to our existence, but the thing is, we are reducing some of that cost by going plant-based. It's really, really basic here. Okay, we understand that there are going to be deaths that occur when you're trying to farm land and you have to protect the crops. That is a cost, that is a necessary cost to our existence. Unfortunately, we cannot do much about that. But when you're talking about purposely exploiting animals and eating them, and torturing them and subjecting them to these conditions which are just completely unnecessary, then it becomes a problem. That is something that you can reduce. That is some suffering that you can help to eliminate by not eating animal products, eggs or dairy, fish, none of that. Okay, so it's not a zero-sum game. It's not really an argument against veganism to say that some animals are going to die trying to clear farmland for agriculture. That is, like, every single vegan understands that. That's just simply a cost to our existence. So yeah, let's stop using this argument, guys. It's not a very good argument at all from an ethical standpoint, because here's the other facet to this that a lot of people don't take into account, and that's the fact that vegans aren't the only ones that eat produce. Okay, so you as a meat-eating person are also eating fruits, are also eating vegetables, you're also eating tofu. A lot of you, in your Chinese food and all this stuff, you eat tofu, your miso soup. It's not uncommon. I mean, you guys eat fruits and vegetables and nuts, grains every single day. Okay, so if we're talking about who's causing the most amount of suffering here, it is inevitably the ones who are consuming animal products as well as the produce in their diet. I can rest assured that most of you are still consuming produce in your diets, and if you're not, well, you probably should be, for the fiber and the nutrients that you get from these whole foods. So yeah, that is the other side of things. Like, people bring up these arguments for like produce and agriculture as if vegans and vegetarians are the only ones who consume these things. Everybody consumes them. So yes, there is always going to be a cost to our existence. This is not a zero-sum game. That is impossible. As long as we are alive, we will be causing some level of harm. So yeah, the difference is that I, as a vegan, am not exploiting animals purposely for the simple taste of their flesh and their secretions. Okay, so that is that, guys. Until next time, if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.